Hello everyone, my name is Priyanka. Welcome to my math classes. I'm teaching full syllabus of class 8 math and we are doing chapter number 3, understanding quadrilaters. And today we are going to solve NCERT exercise 3.1. So let's start today's class. In the previous class, we discussed the topic of the simple curves and the polygon. And our exercise 3.1 is based on that topic only. So let's solve this exercise. Our first question is, given here are some figures and we have to classify each of them on the basis of the following. And first is the simple curve. So first of all, we have to identify that from the following figures, which one are the simple curves. What is a simple curve? As we discussed earlier also, so whenever we draw any figure with the help of line segments or the curves without lifting hand or without intersecting the sides, then those curves are known as the simple curves. So out of these 8 curves, this first one is definitely a simple curve. So first figure is a simple curve. Second figure is also a simple curve. In the third curve, if we have to draw this figure, first I have to draw this curve and after lifting the hand, I have to draw this second curve. So that's why this third figure is not a simple curve. Similarly, in this fourth figure, all lines are intersecting. So this is also not a simple curve. This fifth one is a simple curve. And sixth figure is also simple curve. And seventh figure is also a simple curve because it is made up of line segments and curves only and it is drawn without lifting the hand. And in the eighth one, in this figure, there is one curve, then a line segment, then again one curve. So this is not a simple curve. So this eighth figure is also not a simple curve. So our simple curves are first, second, fifth, sixth and seventh. So all these figures are simple curves. Next is simple closed curves. What are simple closed curves? The curves whose ends are not opened. So all the ends are closed. So those figures are closed curves. So in these figures, all the figures given to us are the closed figure. So the simple curves are the simple closed curves because no curve has any open end. So all the simple curves are simple closed curve. That means all 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. So all these figures are simple closed curves. So next is polygon. What is a polygon? Any simple closed curve which is made up of only line segments is known as polygon. So in a given figure, if the figure is made up of only line segments, then that figure is polygon. So out of these 8 figures, this first figure and second figure is made up of only line segment. If we look at this figure number 5, 6 and 7, so these figures have the curves. So these are not polygons. Only figure number 1 and 2 are the polygon. And the next is convex polygon. So out of these 2 polygons, number 1 and number 2, which polygon is convex polygon? What is convex polygon? If all the internal angles of polygon are less than 180 degree, that polygon is a convex polygon. So out of these 2 figures, if we look at figure number 1, there are 5 internal angles and all these 4 angles are less than 180 degree. But this angle is greater than 180 degree. See, this is a straight line and this angle is 180 degree. But the whole internal angle is this plus this. So this is definitely greater than 180 degree. So this is not a convex polygon. In the next figure, figure number 2, there are 4 internal angles of a polygon and all these internal angles are less than 180 degree. So figure number 2 is a convex polygon. And next is last one, concave polygon. So what is concave polygon? The polygon in which if any angle is greater than 180 degree, then that polygon is concave polygon. So in figure number 1, this angle is greater than 180 degree. So figure number 1 is a concave polygon. The question number 2 of the exercise is, what is a regular polygon, and state the name of regular polygon of 3 sides, 4 sides and 6 sides. So first of all, we have to tell what is a regular polygon. What is a polygon? Polygon is any closed figure which is made up of only line segments. So this figure consists of only line segments is known as a polygon. What is regular polygon? If in a polygon all the sides and all the angles are same, then this figure is known as regular polygon. If in a polygon, so let us suppose there is this polygon. If all the sides and all the angles of this figure are same, then this is known as regular polygon. Now we have to tell the regular polygon having 3 sides. What is the name of regular polygon having 3 sides? We know that if a polygon is having 3 sides, then this figure is known as a triangle. The polygon which is having 3 sides, then this figure is known as a triangle. If all sides and all the angles of this triangle are equal, if all the sides and all the angles of this triangle are equal, then this triangle is known as equilateral triangle. This triangle is known as equilateral triangle. The second is, we have to tell the name of polygon having 4 sides. We have to tell the name of regular polygon having 4 sides. So we have to draw a 4-sided polygon in which each side and each angle of this polygon should be equal. If in a 4-sided figure, all the sides and all the angles of this figure, this polygon are equal, then this figure is known as a square. We know that in a quadrilateral, if all the sides and all the angles are same, then this is known as a square. And the last one is a regular polygon having 6 sides. We have to name the regular polygon having 6 sides. 6 sides means the name of this figure is hexagon. Hexa means 6. So if a polygon is having 6 sides, then that figure is known as hexagon. And if all the sides and all the angles of this figure are equal, if all the sides and all the angles are equal, then this figure is known as regular hexagon. This figure is known as regular hexagon. So these were the questions of exercise 3.1. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment box. In the next class, we will discuss exterior angles of a polygon. If you want to learn with me, subscribe to my channel. See you in the next class.